Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm just going to show you another PC build, but this time it's only $790. So the CPU is the AMD Ryzen 3 3100. It's just a cheap 4-core processor. It's not bad. And it's AMD, so it's pretty good value, better than the i3. For the motherboard, I believe this is the one I used in the $950 build, the Gigabyte B450M. Has 4 RAM slots and an NVMe slot. For the RAM, it's only 8 gigabytes, but that's enough, and it's not that much speed, but this processor can't even handle more than that, really. Then for the boot SSD, it's just the one that I have in my build, 120 gigabyte, and then 2 terabytes to store all your games. For the video card, it is the same one in the 950 build, the 1650 Super. And then the case is the Cooler Master box, and it has good airflow and it looks pretty nice. For the power supply, it's just EVGA 500 watt bronze 80 plus, and it's semi-modular, so that could help with the airflow. Then just a Wi-Fi adapter. You don't need this if you want to just use Ethernet, but I use Wi-Fi. And then Cooler Master Sickle Flow fan is just RGB, just to help with the airflow and the appearance. So then the price is $790. It should get decent FPS on low settings on most games that you would play. Anyways, that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.